The person who is more dangerous is the person who is smiling on you, but in their hearts they don't like you at all. But those people who are showing you that they don't like you are better than a person who is pretending, because a person who is pretending can kill you anytime. You don't know that person loves you or what. Because sometimes, guys, you say maybe you have got a good news, you are telling your friend doesn't like you at all. You know that other people you are being friendship with people, they don't like you. But those people, maybe those people outside, they know that that person you are in friendship with, that person doesn't like you, because the way your friend is talking about you with those people, you know that. Because sometimes, guys, you are being in friendship or in relationship with people, they don't like you. A person is pretending is dangerous than a person is showing their true colors, that they don't like you in their life. They can show you their true colors, because you can saw it, those people, they don't like me, than a person who is pretending. Guys, a person who is pretending can do something bad to you, and you don't know that person is doing those things, because you don't think that person can do it. Sometimes you can be shocked one day that that person is the kind of the person I say is my friend, or you are going to marry that person. So sometimes a person who is showing you your true colors is better sometimes, because that they show you that they don't like you, and sometimes you can play far from them because you know that they don't like you, than a person came every day to check on you, because you can say she loves me because it's my friend, but behind that person doesn't love you. Even the way that person is talking about you with other people, you understand, they, guys, other people, they pretend like in front of you like they like you or what, but behind the way they were talking about you, other people, they are in competition with you. You don't know, because sometimes maybe you have got a good news, or you buy something good, or any or property, that person can pretend like maybe you do something good, that person can pretend like is happy or what, but inside that person is not happy. So sometimes you can, so maybe that person can go and buy the same thing you buy. You have to know that your friend is in competition with you most of the time. So sometimes, guys, be careful with people you are in relationship with or friendship with, because, guys, a person who is pretending is more dangerous than a person who is showing you true colors.